I'm gonna borrow the mouse for a second. Gotta fix my screen.
Okay. Here we go. It's a little tiny bit small, but you saw it, and you can come back. So welcome to Echotraders Monday. It's 8:24 Eastern Time, and what we have is we have a market that we've been looking for, an up move, and we're talking about CL, and we'll get to your YM and ES and other markets in near future. So we've taken some money off on this particular direction. I'm just going to copy this here forward. And also we have a 1-2-3 punch coming in, and we love to see the 1-2-3 punch. So we're going to put the fibs on to help encourage this trade to the upside. And I'm just going to throw this in here. Now, what we want to do is try to get into the market down around support. And our support, now there's 2.5 minutes. We have a countdown timer here in the center. We have almost 2 minutes and 20 seconds left to go. We want to try to add position at 46.02. Let's see if the market will go down and retest that area and hold. If this here can hold, we're looking for the 45.89 and 45.90 area on your chart to hold here as support. So we're looking for support down here. Looking for support down here to hold as our 1-2-3 punch, and we're trying to get back up and look left and break this here shaded area here is a resistance area, and we're looking to take out this next high. The high prior to the candle that we're in, the market's trying to do it. It's probably meeting that resistance, right? And then we'll look for it to take out this high. So our target here, of course, is a money off. Now, even if we didn't get money added back into the trade, we still have our primary here. But where we've taken money off, we wanted to add it back on. So right now we only have one going north. So we have to manage that quite well. If we had the other one, it would make more money, but if it didn't pick us up, it didn't pick us up. Okay, so nothing we can do about that. We don't have to chase it. It's a positive trade, yada, yada, yada. Okay, so we're going to keep you posted here. We were looking for the pullback here to add a position on. Now, we can still lock in our primary so you don't give that extra money back. Our next target up, and I'll just use this here little one, is right up in here, and your target. So we'll just enlarge that a little bit. All right, we can see that one. Now we do have a little double top here, and this here next candle that we're producing, the market's producing right now, we want to see that take out this here little double top. So I'm going to put a little line on here. This is a double top. We know it's resistance. We want to see them take it out if they can. They pulled back. This here's your 38.2%, right to the bodies. I like to see that. And now we'd look for the pullback right to here. This here's your 68 on your small intraday. This here is not even classified. It's a swing. It's not even an intraday. So we'd love to see that. And even though we didn't get money back on, we'd love to see it just punch right up here. And then we just manage the one contract. That's fine too. That's extra money, whether we get extra put on or not. We only add long positions at support. So if it didn't pick us up, it didn't pick us up. Just manage the remaining runner. The primary we put in our pocket. We'd love to add that primary back on. So the CL on the left hand side of your screen has come down to that additional money to pick up that trade. Okay, let's go back and look at our CL chart. And this year is very positive here, what we're doing here on this. We wanted to see that trade get picked up. I'm going to put a little arrow on your chart. We wanted to see it get picked up here. Took very little offside on that. That's not too bad at all. We'll change this here to red. And so we have our re-entry down here at our red arrow. All right, we took money off. We held your runner. Okay, so we get into this here trade below the EMA. That's what we want to do, is get in down here below the EMA for your positive run up. You have moving average alignment, you have the MACD cross, you have the momentum of the MACD up to the upside. Why would we not trade up? We have the target reached that we want it for our extra. So we still have a contract. All right, and we're going to just try to manage that or reverse it while it's still in good terms. All right, so now we've put money in our pocket two times on the upper trade. Okay, and if they come back down and take out this, now we wanted to see the high taken out over here, and I'll put a quick little ellipse over here, and they just barely came to there. So we'll probably see them retest the EMA again. All right. Let me bring this here over here. But this time, we'll only look for the 38. So I'm going to change the color of the arrow. Bear with me here. We're going to put that on next. Okay, so they've come up to our money off target. And now we want to see this here aqua arrow here, and I'll extend it one. Right here, we want to see this hold as support. And that way it's a higher low. We want to keep taking out the next one. So the next one we want to take out is here on the left, over here. Okay? That's your next high to get to the larger time frame target. Now, this here's 2 red candles in a row. It's exhausting. The MACD is coming through zero. This is things that we look for on a regular basis. So this time we want to see this here become your new support. Now it would be another higher low. Then we want to see up here be taken out next. So we'll see if we can get that. So this is a wonderful trade. We talked about our 1, 2, 3 punch here, entry at 46.02, little tiny bit of offside, not bad, and then right up to targets here. So to take that money and then either reverse the runner if you have one to the downside. So you lock it in, and as we had mentioned, you lock it in at a positive. So that was a great little trade, and it didn't take very long either. So congratulations to those few that traded that in the room this morning. Very good deal. This here yellow line here, we wanted to see the market pull back and tag that SMA. It has tagged the SMA, and I highlighted the SMA. So and this year's retesting this year support and resistance area, and that's 45.89 and 45.90 confluence numbers here. So great job for those of you that reversed, and that's back-to-back trading, so that's not suggested for the faint at heart. Till next time, trade well, my friends.